Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to reset data usage in Windows. I'm going to give you the steps, we're going to do it together. The first thing we need to do is open up our settings. So we'll press down the Windows key and the I key at the same time to simply get to settings. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to click on network and internet. Let's go. Click on network and internet. And the next thing you're going to do is select data usage at the top of the right hand panel or pan. Data usage. Did I make a mistake? Click on internet, click on it. So we have consider the internet is data usage, click on data usage. Okay, here it is. And then you can see reset usage stats actually. So that should be at the bottom of the whole thing. Whoa. And then I click on reset usage stats, and once I've done, click on this button. It will reset the data usage counter for all my apps back to 0. So once you click on that, you'll be asked to confirm, so click on restart again to confirm your action. That's it. Don't forget that this will reset the data usage counter for all networks for your Wi-Fi, because I chose for Wi-Fi. If I wanted to do the same for my Ethernet, I simply go back. Here is for Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's for Wi-Fi. But I can only have the usage for Wi-Fi right now. I don't have for the Ethernet. If I did, you would have seen it. Anyway, so what we want to do for the Ethernet, we have here Ethernet. Click on Ethernet. You can see it is not connected, but yours should be connected, and you can reset the Wi-Fi usage there. Right now, so the Wi-Fi I'm using, you can see Wi-Fi. So let's go back to status, and now the next tip I'm going to give you is that the data usage counter will start tracking data again from 0 after the reset. So be very careful. If you really want to keep tabs, you might not want to reset at all. So it depends on you. But if you found this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Bye for now.